And now some of you, I can recognize some of you, are working in a project of the Agencia Española de Cooperación Internacional. This is a project of the government of Spain to promote the translation of languages, in this case of India, to Spanish. So there is a project that started 2008. There will be a translation coming, I hope, soon from Bengali, Tamil, Hindi to Spanish. The government of Spain has, this agency, Agencia Española de Cooperación Internacional, and also the Embassy of Spain has some budget allowed to do translations of all types of documents. Okay, so before we continue, I would like to thank all of you who came from all over India, our colleagues from abroad. This is your house. We just transferred a month ago, so if you find anything that is inconvenience, the aircon too cold, sometimes there will be brownouts, we know where we are. So sorry, apologies for that in advance. And then I would like to give pass the word to the coordinator